Hello everyone, this is Mr. 2, and I'm here to give an overview of the week. This week will look a little different than weeks past. We're going to be looking into geography in a few different ways. Not only will you be learning about geography, but you'll be working on being responsible because of the self-paced nature of the material. This is something that is going to be helpful not only in school but in work and life. You may have noticed that this Google Classroom is different than our typical classroom. Part of the reason that it is set up like this is because it was part of a final project for a grad school class I took last year. I'd like to spend some time going over what the week will look like. Everything you need for the week has already been posted in the classroom. So a daily activity each day this week will be looking into a different theme of geography. You will be able to access this information in the slide by clicking About at the top and then moving down where it says Themes of Geography. Another way to access these slides is by clicking on a hyperlink found in other slides, which we'll get into later. The slides include a definition, an example of each theme, as well as a video. The videos were created by another teacher, and some of the information he mentions in the videos will be repeated later on, and that is intentional to provide repeated practice. The final day of the unit will allow you to demonstrate your knowledge of the 5 themes of geography to Mexico. So I'll explain a little bit more about that later, but as you can see, each theme of geography can be found here with the definition, a little bit more, and then a video created by another teacher. So each day you'll work on reading the definitions and watching a video about a theme of geography. So let's go back to the page and go back to the stream. Other activities throughout the week will include viewing slides, playing games related to the content, and daily review. The idea is that you'll have multiple ways to interact with the material each and every day. When you open the slide, you'll first see an objective for the day to guide you through the instruction. So for instance, for day 1, the objective is to be able to use a map to give compass directions between various points of interest. The next slide provides a daily overview and gives you a time estimate for each day. If an activity takes you longer or shorter, that's fine. The time is just an estimate. So now that we've kind of gone over the outline of the class, you're going to go ahead and begin the activities for the first day. This will include learning about the theme of geography, human-environment interactions. So again, you can click this hyperlink to take you to the theme of geography slide, or you can go to the About page. You're then going to focus on compass and compass directions. There's some reading as well as some interactive websites that you'll be looking at, and then practicing these compass skills in a game. And then finally, reviewing what you've learned in a Google form. So that's what you'll have to do for day 1, but I want to go back and show you the page scrolling down. So day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all there. And then at the bottom, you'll notice this final project. So again, the final project is going to be applying the 5 different themes of geography to the country of Mexico. And so this first page is a placeholder. I'll be providing a printed copy of this map for you to label, but it's taking a little bit. But if we scroll down, there we go, you'll notice that each theme is present there and gives you a way to apply what you've learned to Mexico. So for instance, looking at location, you'll look at the city names and then provide the absolute location, the latitude and the longitude for it, as well as the relative location. Not a specific coordinate, but relatively what Mexico is near. So remember that while this week will be self-paced, I'm still available for any questions, comments, or concerns. So please do not hesitate to ask.